Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about this mattress pad. Sometimes when you sleep on a cot, you just need a little something extra to help make it feel more comfortable to sleep on. So that's why I purchased this mattress pad here. It's like a velour type on this side. As you can see how it changes colors. And silky on, and we have straps on both ends to help hold it in place so you're not sleeping and it bunches up on you. On this end, it has the flap that goes over the top part of your mattress. And also in the center, it has an additional strap so it doesn't roll out of position as you're moving around at night. This is a very nice cover. Let me just show you what it looks like. 73 inches long. It's 28 inches wide, so it fits your standard cot. Let me show you how that looks. So you can see that it fits this cot very nice, and it is quite comfortable to help with when you're sleeping on a cot. You can also use that strap that goes around the bottom of the cot to keep it in place at night, but when you're done, it'll help keep your bedroll in place as well. And you could probably really roll this a lot tighter than what I have it here, but that strap will help keep your bedroll in place. I think this would be a great addition to any cot and help you have a good night's sleep. And that's just my honest opinion.